Welcome to the ultimate DIY adventure obstacle course, where the only rule is have fun and maybe don't break a bone. Today, we're building and attempting the most epic backyard obstacle course you've ever seen, featuring the terrifying Slackline of Shame, the mysterious Mud Pit of Mayhem, the Rope of Regret, and a surprise twist we like to call the Wheelbarrow Wipeout. So buckle up, grab your duct tape, zip ties, gardening gloves, and an unreasonable sense of confidence, because this is going to be the wildest, wackiest ride you've ever attempted in your own backyard. We begin at dawn. Okay, more like 10:30 a.m. because we needed coffee. First up, the Slackline of Shame. Picture this, a tight nylon line strung between two trees, a mere foot above the ground but emotionally 3 stories high. As we assemble the line with questionable knots and a YouTube tutorial paused on a shaky phone screen, we realize none of us have actually walked a slackline before. Our first brave soul, Adifir, takes a deep breath and channels his inner ninja warrior. He steps up, wobbles like a toddler on a trampoline, and within 3 seconds performs a majestic sideways belly flop into a bush. Cue the slow-motion replay with epic gladiator music. 10 points for effort, -5 for dignity. Next up is the Mud Pit of Mayhem, aka the hole we dug last week after watching a survival documentary. With shovels, a hose, and questionable enthusiasm, we churn a patch of dry earth into a slippery, sludgy battlefield. We add a rope net over the pit, creating a crawl challenge that demands grit, core strength, and immunity to gross textures. Neha, our designated Gets Muddy for Views teammate, dives in headfirst like a Bollywood hero leaping to save someone. Mud flies. Screams echo. A worm witnesses it all and retreats. By the time she crawls out, she looks like she's been birthed by the earth itself. We ask her how she feels. She responds, like a samosa in a puddle. Inspirational. Stage 3 is the Rope of Regret, a swinging rope challenge over the infamous puddle of possible pain. We tie an old climbing rope, double-knotted for safety-ish, to a tree branch. Contestants must Tarzan their way across without touching the ground. First up is Rahul, our unofficial stuntman. He runs, jumps, swings, and midair remembers he forgot to check the knot. Suspense builds. Will he make it? He does, but lands face first in a patch of dandelions. It's beautiful, like an action hero who crash lands into a field of dreams. Stage 4. The Tarp Tunnel of Terror. A blue plastic tarp draped over a row of lawn chairs. Looks innocent. Feels like a sauna. Inside it's dark, claustrophobic, and smells vaguely like dog biscuits. Participants must crawl through with a spoon in their mouth balancing a grape.
Why?
Because we like